Hello students, welcome to the course on Basic Electronics Engineering and the course code is EC101. This is the course for BTech first semester CSC, IT and FT students and second semester EC students. Myself Dr. Surojit Bashak, Assistant Professor of EC Department, Guru Nanak Institute of Technology, Kolkata. And this is my official email address. Today we are going to start lecture number 8 from the second module, that is PN junction diode and its applications. In the last 7 classes from this module, we have covered PN junction diode, Zener diode, half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier. So today our topic is design of diode, clipper and clamper circuit. And the lesson objective of this topic is to design and analyze diode clipping, limiting and clamping circuits. And this topic is mapped to CO number 3. So let us start lecture number 8 from the second module, that is PN junction diode and its application, with the topic of clipper and clamper circuit. So let us start with clipping circuit. What do you mean by clipping? Clipping circuit is a nonlinear wave shaping circuit in which the waveform is shaped by clipping or removing a certain portion of the input sinusoidal wave. This type of circuit consists of nonlinear elements such as diodes, transistor, in addition to resistor, inductor and capacitor. The switching properties of diode are also used to limit the amplitude of input signal in diode clipping circuit. Under this situation, a clipping circuit is known as amplitude limiters, and these clippers can remove signal voltage above or below certain reference level. They find important application in digital computers, radio and television receivers and radar signals. Various types of commonly used clipping circuits are positive clipper and negative clipper. So first we discuss on positive clipper, then move on negative clipper. Now what do you mean by positive clipper? Positive clipper actually remove the positive half cycle of input voltage and remain the negative half cycle at the output. According to circuit arrangement, positive clippers are of two types. One is series positive clipper and other is shunt positive clipper. So the first figure shown that this is an example of series positive clipper, and second figure shows, second circuit diagram shows, this is an example of shunt positive clipper. So series positive clipper circuit consists of a diode and a resistor, and the output voltage across the resistor is taken. The diode is considered to be an ideal open switch when the input voltage is positive, and an ideal closed switch when the input voltage is negative. During the positive half cycle of input voltage, the terminal A is positive with respect to B, and the diode is reverse bias. That means it is an open circuit. The applied voltage is totally dropped across D, and the output voltage across the resistance R is 0. Thus, there is no output signal voltage during the positive half cycle of input signal. Now, during the negative half cycle, the polarities of A and B are reversed, making the diode forward biased and shorted. As a result, all the applied voltage drops across R, and no voltage drop occurs across D. Thus, the negative half cycle passes through the circuit while positive half cycle is blocked or removed, which is actually shown in this diagram, output waveform. Now, the second circuit is the shunt positive clipper circuit, in which the diode is connected as a shunt or parallel between the source and load. Now, during positive half cycle of input voltage, the diode is forward bias and acts like a closed switch. All the applied voltage drops across R, and no voltage is dropped across D. Thus, output signal across D is clipped off during the positive half cycle. On the contrary, during negative half cycle, the diode is reverse bias and acts like an open switch. The applied voltage is dropped totally across D. The output signal across D is retained. The output voltage waveform in shunt positive clipper is similar to that in series positive clipper, in which, or in the sense that, the positive half cycle of the input signal is clipped off or removed in the output voltage waveform, which is shown here also. Now move for the negative clipper. Negative clipper remove the negative half cycle of the input signal voltage and retain the positive half cycle at the output. Similar to positive clippers, negative clippers are of two types: series negative clipper and shunt negative clipper. So first figure is the series negative clipper, and second is the for shunt negative clipper. So in series negative clipper, the diode D acts as a series switch between the source and the load, and the output voltage across R is considered. The polarities of diode is only reverse bias in series negative clipper as compared to that in series positive clipper. The circuit operation is similar to that of series positive clipper. The diode acts like a closed switch. That means forward bias during positive half cycle of input voltage, while it acts like an open switch, that is reverse biased during negative half cycle of input voltage. The total input voltage drops across R during positive half cycle, while ideally no voltage drop occurs across R during negative half cycle. Thus, the positive half cycle of the input voltage passes through the circuit and appears across the output, while the negative half cycle is blocked and does not appear across the output. So the output waveform already is shown here, which clips off the negative half cycle and retaining the positive half cycle only, resembling that of a half wave rectifier. Now move for the negative shunt clipper. In this figure, the diode D is connected as a shunt switch between the source and load, and the output voltage is taken across D. Compared to the circuit of shunt positive clipper, the polarities of diode are only reversed in shunt negative clipper circuit. The circuit operation is similar to that of shunt positive clipper. The diode D acts like an open switch, that is reverse biased during positive half cycle of input signal voltage, while acts like a closed switch, that is forward bias during negative half cycle. The total input voltage occurs across D during positive half cycle, while practically no voltage drop occurs across D during negative half cycle. The output waveform is shown here, which clips off the negative half cycles only and retaining the positive half cycle, resembling that of a half wave rectifier. So these are the main clipper circuits, and apart from that, biased clipper and combination of clipper circuits are also present, but they are not in syllabus, so they are not discussed here in detail. So I move for the clamping circuit. What do you mean by clamping? Clamping circuits shift the voltage waveform in such a way that positive or negative peaks of the signal are placed at a desired DC level. Clamping circuit, also called clampers, as they add or restore a DC component to an AC signal. So these circuits are also known as DC restores. These circuits find applications in television receivers to restore the original DC reference signal to the video signal. Let us consider a sine wave as an input signal, which is shown in this here as a figure number A with same positive and negative peaks of 5 volt round the zero level, that is peak to peak voltage value is 10 volt and the DC level is 0 volt. Now the clamper introduces a DC level of plus 5 volt shift, plus 5 volt shifts the signal upwards so that negative peak falls on the 0 voltage axis. The waveform has peak value of 10 volt and 0 volt. Such clamper are called positive clampers, in which the waveform undergoes an upward vertical shift without any change of its shape, and the waveform is said to be positively clamped at 10 volt. Now, negative clampers, on the other hand, lowers the input signal in which a way that that the positive peak just touches the 0 voltage axis. See, this is the example of a negative clamped AC signal. The waveform has peak values of 0 volt and minus 10 volt. The waveform undergoes a downward vertical shift without any change of its shape. The waveform is said to negatively clamped at 0 volt. So, there are normally two types of clamping circuits are present. One is positive and other is negative clamper. So let us first discuss with positive clamper circuit. This is the circuit for a positive clamper, which uses a diode in shunt, diode D, and a capacitor C in series into the source and load. The input signal is a square wave pulse train of period T. The clamped output voltage is obtained across the load resistance RL. The principle of operation of a clamper is explained. Say the diode is forward biased during the negative half cycle of input signal between say T1 to and T2. The diode behaves like a shorts and conducts. The capacitor will be charged with a time constant tau C equal to say RF into C. So where RF is the forward resistance of the diode. The charging time constant is very small as RF is very small. So the capacitor will be charged to plus V volt. Just I am showing you the circuit. Capacitor is charged to plus V volt almost instantaneously. During this interval, the output voltage across the short circuited diode is 0. During the positive half cycle of input square wave pulse between 0 and T1, the diode becomes reverse bias and behaving as an open switch, and the capacitor will discharge. The values of capacitor and load resistance RL are so designed that the time constant is very large, of the order of say millisecond, much greater than charging time constant. Since the discharging time constant is also greater than the time period of input signal, the capacitor remains fully charged to V volt during non-conducting period of the diode, that is from 0 to T1 or T2 to T3. Now apply KVL to the equivalent circuit of positive clamper during positive half cycle of input pulse corresponding to reverse bias condition of the diode behaving as an open switch, which is V0 is equal to, which is equivalently V0 is equal to 2V. So correspondingly the output voltage waveform is shown here, which shows that the output is positively clamped. The input signal has undergone an upward vertical shift by V volt. In this case, the clamper circuit has shifted the zero voltage level of input signal to its negative edge. Now, moving to the negative clamper circuit. And this is the circuit of a negative clamper where the diode is reverse bias and the input signal is a square wave pulse. See, the diode is forward biased during the positive half cycle of input voltage, that is from 0 to T1 or T2 to T3. The diode conducts and behave like a closed switch. See here, during the positive half cycle, the capacitor will be discharged, capacitor will be charged almost instantaneously to a voltage of V volt, as the charging time constant is very small, which is say tau c equal to Rf into C is very small owing to negligible forward resistance of the diode. Now during the conducting period of diode, that is from 0 to T1, the output voltage across the shorted diode is 0, that is V0 equal to 0. Now during the period of T1 to T2C, that is the negative half cycle of input pulse, the diode is reverse bias and behaving like an open switch. The corresponding equivalent circuit of the clamper, which is in the previous slide, that is the previous slide, this circuit, the capacitor will be discharging through RL, but the discharging time constant, say tau d, is much longer than the time period of input signal. So during this period, the capacitor will remain almost fully charged, say up to V volt. Now apply, if we apply the KVL, then naturally we get V0 is equal to say it is minus plus, so it is minus 2 volt. So thus the voltage drop across the RL during negative half cycle is minus 2 volt. That is why here minus 2 volt is present. So the output voltage waveform indicates the here. It is also observed that the output is negatively clamped and the output signal has undergone a downward vertically shift by V volt. So the negatively clamped circuit has also shifted the zero voltage level of input signal to minus V at the positive edge of the input waveform. So this is all about clipper and clamper circuit. So thank you so much. Let us stop here.